Draining your Signature Series spa is a simple process that helps keep your water clean and fresh. The drain cap will be located on the right side panel of your spa. Start by turning off the breaker to ensure everything is safe. Then, slowly turn and pull the drain valve until it's fully extended. Next, remove the drain cap and screw on your garden hose. Now push the drain valve back into the cabinet until water starts flowing out of the hose. Once the hot tub is completely drained, fully extend the drain valve, remove the hose, and reinstall the drain cap. To finish, push and turn the drain cap until it's fully retracted back into the cabinet. With the spa drained, you're ready for your next maintenance task or water change. If you found this helpful, check out more Signature Spa customization videos from The Great Escape. See you next time.